Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion key fob battery. First, ensure you have the correct key fob type. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy, getting your key fob working again in no time. To begin, look for a small slot or indent on the side of your key fob, often near where a physical key might flip out. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With gentle pressure, carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, observe which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Use your screwdriver or a small pick tool to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly around the edges until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it is working correctly. You're all set to go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.